Do you have food sensitivities, feel bloated after you eat, or are looking for ways to improve gut health naturally? I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. With over 4 decades of personal experiences and challenges, and as a health coach, I have learned that healthy food alternatives plus food-grade essential oils is a game changer. Your gut health is your health. So after watching, get your free health assessment at the link in the description below. In this video, I show you how to make a healthy carrot cake, a gluten-free carrot cake recipe. It's so moist and tasty, you'd never know it's a sugar-free and dairy-free carrot cake with almond flour, coconut cream, and immune-boosting essential oils. In the comments below, say recipe if you'd like these details to come to your inbox. So let's begin with preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to grate 3 medium to large carrots and then put them in our mixing bowl along with 4 eggs, a half a cup of pure maple syrup, a third a cup of melted coconut oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and then our essential oils, our secret sauce, 5 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 1 drop of cardamom essential oil, and 1 drop ginger. These are all immune boosting and great for gut health. Then we're going to stir it all together, and then we're going to add 1.5 cups almond flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a half a cup of pecans, and again mix it all together. Then we're going to spread this out into a greased 9x13 pan. Put it in the oven, bake for 25 minutes. Then we're going to let it completely cool before frosting. And to make our frosting, we're going to take 1 chilled can of coconut milk and scoop out the top cream, which is about 1.5 cups. Then add 1 rounded tablespoon powdered monk fruit, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 drops of lemon essential oil. This adds such a nice flavor. It's such a great oil for detox and metabolic health. So whisk it all together, so simple. And then make sure that you have your cake completely cooled before frosting. And then spread it on until nice and smooth. Again, this is so much like whipped cream, and you'll love it. Very tasty. Now I like to sprinkle it with a few nuts as well, just to garnish. It just makes it look nice. And oh, so delicious, yet dairy-free, sugar-free, and grain-free. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, comment recipe if you'd like these details to come to your inbox. Ask your questions, take that free health assessment, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.